Not heard machinery or smelt machinery, it's been clear, been clean.
As part of our action for climate change, we're trialling all electric sites for some of our highways operations. Here's a look at one of our all electric sites.
This is the first trial in the south of England, and we're delighted to actually implement it with the aid of our contractors Ringway. It's further indication of our commitment to the Sustainable Hertfordshire Strategy and Action Plan, which aims to actually reduce our operations to net zero by 2030 and the county to be net zero by 2050.
Today's site that you've come out to see is some work that we're doing to see what's possible currently in the market, moving a lot of our diesel equipment to electric. On the site today you'll see a number of different bits of kit that were brought in that we would traditionally have as diesel or petrol.
What's different about an all-electric site?
You'll see a huge difference, certainly in the noise, in the fumes and in the general operation of these pieces of kit. The larger ones, the digger, the back actor that we've got here, it's one of only 5 in the country, so we're really pleased to have it on our contract in Hertfordshire. We've also got a 7.5 tonne unit that we've brought in from one of other contracts to give it a go on here as well. Our vans are electric on this site, and then we have a number of small tools. So we've got a cutter which is battery powered. We've got a bandsaw that we use for the street lighting columns when we're adjusting the size of the columns or posts that we put in. Again, all battery powered and electric.
How has the trial been going?
Some of the guys have been saying on this job when we're working with a lot of petrol and diesel units that the fumes are they're non-existent, so it's much pleasanter and probably healthier. But the noise as well is a lot less. It's
a real fantastic opportunity to actually trial the efficiency of all the equipment and also the cost effectiveness when you compare fuel to recharging.
How have local residents found it?
No, not heard machinery or smelt machinery, it's been clear, been clean. Quiet, and it'd be nice to have a finished job.
Are there plans to expand the use of electric machinery?
This is only one of the initiatives we're progressing. We're also using electric equipment or tools to cut grass and manage trees. We are creating a sustainable transport fleet. We are actually reducing the commercial or construction waste. We're trialling more sustainable materials, all with the aim of creating a cleaner, greener Hertfordshire.
For more on our plans to tackle climate change, visit our website.